Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT access denied. So if you encounter problems like that, all you have to do is to go to your Google web browser or any web browser, go to the three dots and then go to privacy and security. Here you have to scroll down and click this third-party cookies and then scroll down again and look for the see all data sites. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply search for OpenAI or ChatGPT, something like that. Okay, so once done, you will see here OpenAI, and all you have to do is to simply delete that one. And other things here related to ChatGPT or OpenAI. Okay, that's the first method. The second method is if you encounter something like this, then you can connect to any VPN. To do that, you can open new tab here and then search for VPNs for free. Again, all you have to do is to select one VPN. There are tons of VPNs and all you have to do is to download, but of course, most of these free VPNs have limited features and access, but it's okay. So for example, I downloaded this Proton VPN and here all I have to do is to click open. Now I can connect to this three servers here, okay? Because I'm using the basic version of this VPN. So once I'm connected to any server, then I can now have access to ChatGPT. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.